Hey everybody, Logan here with TerraXplore, and today I want to go over the FC100 with you. We just got this in shop earlier this week, and we are really excited about it. There's not very many in the country yet, which is really cool that we were able to get our hands on it as soon as we were. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably sitting there going, man, I've seen that drone before. It looks very familiar. And you'd be right in that assumption. For those of you who own the DJI T100 Agris system, it's going to look like the exact same thing. And the truth behind that is there are a lot of similarities to them. Some of the major components that you're going to find similar on the FC to the T100 are your radar up top with your Omni camera for that 360 vision, your LiDAR up front here to help you map that terrain while you're flying, your camera down low for your FPV view, along with your spotlight down there as well. Up top, we have our RTK sensors on each side, and then you'll notice it's a dual motor system on each wing. Something specific to the FC100 that's really cool is the winch system that is going to come on. So there are two different platforms or chassis, you might call them, that are compatible with the FC100, and that would be your winch system, which is on right now, and then your lift kit, which you've seen before in our previous videos covering the T100. The big difference is with the winch system, you're going to be able to actually lower and raise product you're transporting, whereas with the lift kit that you can use on the T100, it's got a stagnant rope. So the benefit of this winch is you're going to be able to lower some product down into terrain that might be a little harder to access, or you might not be able to get your drone exactly where you need it to be. So you'll be able to keep the drone up high away from the danger and lower that product down into it while operating safely. One thing that really caught me off guard whenever we got this drone is you'll notice these clamps up top here. We refer to these as the butterfly propeller clamps, and you've probably seen some of our videos covering those on our Facebook or YouTube. But what's interesting is the FC100 actually comes stock with butterfly propeller clamps, whereas the DJI T100 does not. So obviously, this is something that's going to be beneficial for your drone in the long run to help with vibration and to help minimize as much of that as possible uh, for more longevity with your drones. A few more of the differences are going to be the app that you're going to be running the FC100 on. It's going to be running on the delivery app, whereas the T100 is on the Agris side of things. And some of the differences with that delivery app is the distance you're going to be able to go with this FC100. Again, a lot of the hardware is the same, but the distance traveled with the FC is going to be much greater than that of the T100. One of the other cool factors within this drone is the dual remote system that you're going to be able to operate with. For example, if you were across a really far field from someone you're working with and you needed to move a product from you to them, you are able to use both controllers to control the drone. So about halfway through, the person on the far side receiving the product will be able to take control of that drone, land the product safely, and then return it back to its home station if required. So that's really cool. We can't wait to play around with that. There's going to be tons more to come when talking about this drone. We can't wait to get it up in the air. But if you guys have any questions about the drone itself or any of the specs, feel free to check out our website at www.terra-explore.com, or feel free to give me a call at 660 953 0632.